This is ALOKA, a small dog, once living on the streets of India. His fur the color of saffron, like the robes of the monks who now walk beside him. His name means light, and for a moment it seems he carries it into the world. ALOKA is lucky he was seen, cared for and healed. He had surgery to mend his injured knee, and now he walks again, part of a journey that stretches across thousands of miles. A walk for peace. But ALOKA is one among millions. Millions of dogs in India who never get noticed, who suffer silently on the streets, scavenging for food, shelter, and safety. Their lives are a quiet, uncounted testament to hardship. In the east of India, shelters and volunteers work tirelessly. They feed, heal, vaccinate, and protect. They are the unseen hands of compassion, the living practice of loving kindness that the monks walk for. Metta in motion. The Peace Walk is not only about humans, it is about awareness, mindfulness, and the choice to act with kindness. Every step taken by the monks reminds us that compassion begins with noticing and extends into action. ALOKA shows us what happens when compassion meets need, but he also reminds us of all those who wait for someone to care. The street dogs, the injured, the hungry, the ones we often pass by without seeing. This is a call to awareness, to walk not just with intention, but with care, to support the shelters and the people who give hope where hope is scarce, to let compassion extend beyond our sight, beyond our comfort, and into the lives of those who cannot ask for it. ALOKA walks with us, and through him, we can walk for all. On the streets he used to roam, a little dog so far from home. Fur like saffron, a spark in the night, waiting for someone to see the light. Every pore, every silent plea, a story of hope we rarely see. But one kind hand, one gentle touch, can show the world love matters so much. Peace begins with seeing, and the seeing begins with one step. ALOKA walks and the world starts breathing. Every heart can learn to care, to give, to accept. Peace begins with seeing, and seeing begins with one step. Millions unseen, waiting alone, hunger and fear on every stone. Shelters give love, hands that heal, turning silent hearts into something real. Every laugh, every small flame can grow with kindness, can rise with a name. One small act, one open heart can turn the world into a place for a start. Peace begins with seeing. can keep. Peace begins with seeing, and seeing begins with one step. ALOKA walks, we all start believing. Every heart can learn to care, to give, to accept. Peace begins with seeing, and see begins with one step. See the light, take one step. See the world, take one step. ALOKA walks, we follow yet. Peace begins with one step.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddha.
And our dog, he's been sleeping the whole time over there.
Oh, is that where he is?
Yeah, he's over there. So we found him in India when we walked 112 days in India. We found him and he followed us the whole time. He's a hero, true hero in India. And even though he falls sick and he got hit by a car, almost died, but he still stand up and walk. Even though he very ill, very sick, and I put him in the car and let him go by with the truck.
Yeah.
He refused to. He jump off and then walk.
He wants to be with you.
He wants to walk. He don't want to go with the car. So that inspires a lot.
Yeah.
And at the end of the journey, I don't want him to go back to his lifestyle, which is a stray dog.
Yeah.
So I brought him here, and now he's U.S. citizen.